If you want to set Yahoo search as the default search engine in Google Chrome, this video will walk you through it step by step in just a few moments. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you prefer Yahoo every time you search from the address bar. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and helpful browser tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and customization options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see several categories, and the one you want is Search Engine. Click Search Engine to open the search settings. In this section, Chrome lets you control which search provider is used when you type in the address bar. Now find the option that lets you change the current search engine. Click the Change button. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Yahoo. Once Yahoo is selected, look for the option to set it as your default search engine. Click Set as Default. That's all there is to it. Chrome will now use Yahoo whenever you search from the address bar, making it your new default search engine. If you ever want to switch back later, you can follow the same steps and choose a different option. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.